In this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon's going to show you how to play Waiting for a Girl Like You by Foreigner. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Okay. Waiting for a Girl Like You by Foreigner. Before I take you through that song, I want to talk about a winner. It's we got a Wednesday winner. Jack Malek is his name, and he's our winner today. All you got to do to win is subscribe, and if you want to leave a comment, that's even better. He won the Easy Strum collection, which is one of my courses, and he won that one. It's got a ton of great songs on it. So congratulations to Jack. And check in with me, leave a comment, subscribe. Whatever you got, and you could win too, because we're going to be giving away one or maybe more every Wednesday. So Wednesday winners are on the charts, okay? All right, back to the tune. This is Waiting for a Girl Like You by Foreigner. We're going to capo on the first fret for this one to make it possible. And by the way, I'm kind of reimagining these tunes for acoustic guitar, which I think is cool. So you can sit and play them at home. A lot of these songs have a fair amount of production. So the little intro, it goes from A minor to G. Back and forth from A minor to G. And that sets the song up. And then it goes into the verse. A minor, so long, G. Back to A minor, and G. Kind of back and forth. And the piano goes like, you can just strum it. Then an E minor, when you love someone, to D. When you really love someone, it feels so right, so strong and true. I need E minor to D. I'm feeling to E major. Okay, let's run. And then F major 7th. You can play full one or half one like this. To G. I know. Back to F major 7th. To G. F major 7th. To G. Then F major 7th. Gotta be sure. Then it goes to your chorus, which is a D minor. I've been waiting for a girl like B flat, come into my... Back to the D minor. And then again, I've been waiting for a girl like you. Then it goes to B flat, G minor. Okay. I've been waiting, D minor, for a girl like you, B flat. Back to D minor. Yeah, I'm waiting for a B flat to G minor. Then he goes to that A minor to G, which is the verse feel again, okay? It's going to repeat the verse and I'll do it for you.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
Touch, no word to say, only in dream, but it be that way. Goes to E minor. When you love someone, you really love someone. D to E7. Okay, that's a turnaround, it's a major. And then F major 7th again. I know it's to G. F major 7th. Not to G. F major 7th. To G. B. Holding you tenderly. Let's go to the chorus. I've been waiting, D minor, for a girl like you, B flat. We come into right back to the D minor. Yeah, I'm waiting for a girl like B flat to G minor. You can play that G minor like that. I like to play it like this. Bar all the way across there, leave the A out of it, and then that second finger right there on the 4th fret, 3rd fret, because we're capoed, right? So that's the chorus. And so you're back and forth from the B flat to the D minor, and then B flat to G minor, and that's the turnaround, okay? So that's basically the whole song, and it's got a little lick in it. It was I think if I can find it. Kind of a cool way to play it on guitar. It's like an orchestral keyboard thing. So I'm just going from the, I'm going to call it an A minor because we're capoed up, and you just work off of that. Picking that up on the high E and the high B string, and then to a G chord. So I'm just kind of spelling out the chord there. Oh, sorry. Okay, so that's Waiting on a Girl Like You. Congratulations to Jack for being our big winner on this Wednesday. And we'll be doing a whole bunch of more great classics, so I'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.